All right, settle down now. Ladies and gentlemen, I didn't prepare this with the band, but I know that I'm the only thing holding us from Higher Love by Kygo, so I'll try to be brief, unlike Mr. Kearns.
Big dreaming, can't you see it? We stay shining every season, and you know I like it. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I love it. Hey, run the numbers all summer. We stay shining on the cover, and you know I like it. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I love
So what I'm actually most looking forward to, seeing her dress.
He's gonna cry many times today.
Yeah. So keep that camera on.
Yeah, even turn around, I'm already cheering up.
If you were to look at a church calendar, or sometimes called a liturgical calendar, you would see that we are in the season of Advent. Advent is a time of waiting, a time of expectation. I'm not sure if you know anything about that. You ready? Okay, here we go. No turning back.
Yeah, I've been waiting to see you in this trip for so long. You look incredible. You love it. I love the back. I love just everything. I love you. I love you.
Like it's the first time, like it's New Year's Eve.
I vow to never forget that this is a once-in-a-lifetime love. I love you more than you'll ever know.
I love you with all my heart, body, soul, and mind. I like you and I love you. To the moon and back, your husband-to-be, love you. Woo! Okay.
Rebecca, take this ring as a sign of my love and my fidelity.
Anthony, take this ring as a sign of my love and my fidelity.
Anthony, why don't you kiss your bride?
Great timing. I went to go and it's like George Wolf, managed K.
Most of you probably don't know, but when COVID hit New York City, of course, everyone had to go home, had to work from home. Anthony and Rebecca, living in a tiny little apartment, decided that if you have to work from home, you might as well work in a place that has a swimming pool and lives by the beach. Well, coincidentally, I have a swimming pool and live near the beach. So Anthony and Rebecca moved in with us, and they stayed with us from about March until the day after the pool closed. And actually, just as we observed Anthony, we did get to re-observe Becca when they moved in, and I can tell you that she will be a wonderful mother. Because she has mastered the two-word phrase that every parent knows that we use in place of no. And it would come up when she would be talking to Madeline about wedding plans, and she'd be like, Mom, why don't we do this? Why don't we do that? And Anthony would say something like, I have a good idea. Why don't we do this? And Rebecca would say, we'll see.
Gotta come together, my friends. We will be together to the end. Climbing every mountain to there. Together forever, my friends.
You know, I remember the first time that Anthony told me about Becca. He was so excited. He was like, I can't wait for you to meet this girl. And the next thing he said was, we went on something like 4 dates in the first week. And I remember going, Anthony, you're gonna scare her away. If you like her, like, maybe tell her that you have a life. And unfortunately, I found out last night from Gabe, they didn't go on 4 dates in the first week. They hung out for 72 hours together. So apparently neither of them had a life until they met each other.
Gotta come
Cheers.
together, my friends. We will be together to the end.
Now we can dance!
Together forever, my friends. Yeah, 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 yeah. Together forever, my friends. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Becca and I met the first week of our freshman year of high school. A very outgoing Becca invited a fairly shy Haley to sit with her at lunch, and so it began. Before I knew it, we were writing Jonas Brothers fan fiction during English class, and I was bringing my report cards to family dinner so that Mr. Kearns could review my grades. Anthony, your kindness is unmatched, and your optimism and positivity are contagious. You know how to make even the most mundane moments fun and worth recounting, and you're definitely one of Taylor Swift's biggest fans by proxy, whether you like it or not. To see my best friend be accepted so completely for who she is and be loved so well is all that I could hope for. Many people seek far and wide to find the person who will continually grow with them, challenge them, and shape them into a better human, and it's obvious that you two have found that in each other.
Gotta come together, my friends. We will be together to the end. Climbing every mountain to there. Together forever, my friends. Yeah, 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 yeah. Together forever, my friends. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Life is all about relationships. Why do we persevere? Why do we fight? Why do we do these things? Why do we show up here? Because the relationships that we want to share these moments with, we want to share the take your breath away moments with your parents, with your friends, with your buddies that you grew up with your cousins. You want to share these moments with the people that you love. And that's why everything is worth the fight. And the fight for each other is worth every part of your being.
We gotta come together, my friends. We will be together to the end. Climbing every mountain to there. Climbing every mountain to there. Together forever, my friends. Together forever, my friends. Yeah, 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 yeah. Together forever, my friends. Together forever, my friends. Climbing every mountain to there. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
That was wild.
Oh my God.
We're married.
We're married.
I'm your wife.
I'm so happy to, baby. I love you so much.